What is going on YouTube? So today I am back with another video. We are going to be learning Future Days, and this song is performed in The Last of Us Part 2. Joel sings it, and I fell in love with the song, so I decided to learn it, and so I can teach you guys also. It's pretty simple. It is based around two chords, the C and the F. You can even improvise this song. You do not need a capo, although Joel performs it with a capo, and later in the game, Ellie also plays it without the capo. So you can really perform it however you would like. Let's get straight onto the video so you guys can play this for yourself and for others. Let's go. We're going to be starting on a C chord, okay? So we're going to strum everything besides the top string, okay? So we're going to strum down. Alright, and you're already getting the sound of the song. So strum down. And then what you're going to be doing is rolling your index finger down to the first string, first fret. You're rolling down, strum, and then you're letting go of it. Alright, and you're still plucking the first string. Okay? Roll off. There you go. So, and your pinky, the second string, third fret, all right? So that's what it looks like. So you're gonna be putting that on there with your index finger still on the second string, right? Okay, so, and you're just gonna hold, pluck out. Remember, this finger is still staying there, all right? So you gotta keep that there. There you go. And from there, you're gonna be rolling your fingers down, right? And you're going to the F chord progression. All right, so after that, you're gonna lift this finger, right? Your middle finger, and you're going to pluck the second string, and you're gonna pluck the third string. There you go. And then you're gonna strum with this finger still off, right? And you're hammering right away. Just like that. So right after you hammer, you gotta pluck that second string on the first fret. You gotta pluck that right away. After you do the quick little pluck of that second string, you're gonna let it ring, and you're gonna do a slight strum between the second, third, and fourth string. With your middle finger on the third string, second fret. There you go. And then from there, you're gonna pluck the second, fourth, and then you're gonna let go of your middle finger again. Alright, and then what you're doing is you're plucking that third string, second string, and then you're going back to that third, and then what you're doing is then you're moving back to the C and strumming down. So after you finish the verse, you're then going to grab your index finger, put it on the fifth string, second fret, and you're going to strum that. And then after that, you're going back to the C, strum, F, and then you're going to bring that pinky down again, but you got to leave it there, okay? And you're going to be plucking the fourth, third, second, and first. Then you're going back to plucking that C. So like I said, it progresses just around those couple of chords. So that is pretty much the whole song. Now we're just moving on to the outro. Alright, so the outro consists of, that plucking part that we did? So it kind of flows in like that. So you finish that plucking part, right? And then you go back to a C with your index finger off. And then you're putting it back on. Just like that. So that is the whole song. Pretty simple. Alright, so now I'm going to play it for you guys, alright? So you guys are welcome to listen or play along with me. But let's hop straight into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, there you go, guys. I hope you guys found this video very informative and helpful, and you guys are able to play this by yourself or with people. So you guys go on, play some guitar, just practice, watch this video a couple times if you need to. Don't make it so stressful on yourself. I mean, you guys are learning, take your time. But guys, go on. Catch you all in the next video. Go ahead and see previous videos, like it, subscribe if you haven't, please. Alright, see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.